This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact device model and OS version so you adjust the right controls. Once done, close all apps and plug the device into power. Make a quick screenshot or note of current scaling. Then, open Settings, Display or System Accessibility and find Zoom, Magnification, or Display Scaling. You're directly accessing the controls that cause the zoom. This prevents guessing. Now, move to the first change. Reset any custom scale or magnifier to default. Now you change the core settings. Set display scaling to 100% or the system recommended value and apply it. Watch the display immediately. If accessibility magnifier or zoom gestures are enabled, turn those off. They often override scaling. When supported, restart the display service or log out and back in to enforce changes. Use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+0 or Ctrl plus mouse wheel or a two-finger pinch on touchscreens to fine-tune so text and UI components sit correctly within the physical screen. You finish by rebooting the device to lock in changes, then verify individual apps and browser zoom levels. They can differ from system scaling. If problems persist, update display drivers or the OS and reinstall the driver if necessary. Driver mismatches commonly cause wrong DPI handling. When still unresolved, connect an external monitor or create a new user profile to isolate whether it's hardware, user settings, or the profile. One key tip: if zoom returns, restore your backup screenshot to revert and repeat with different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.